Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do another little recognition of another video, and just appreciation and just another thank you. Nth Prime. So alright, let me show it to you. So alright, this was our first one, Increment and Decrement, which that was in May. I published it May 16 of last year, and then this one is just a year ago. So I guess if you really look at this one came a lot faster. So now I have two videos with over 1,000 views. So I just want to say thank you. And also, I guess I want to kind of point out, I wonder which one of these, because this, the number triangle, I don't think I've ever shown you this, but this is the kind of cool stuff that Google will show for you, YouTube, excuse me. So this was actually one of my more famous or watched videos. You saw this uptick, and that was doing it for a while, and it leveled off and picked back up. That was watch time, sorry, but almost the same. And I've gotten 4 subscribers from that. So I'm just kind of curious which one out of these two, if random seed method, because that has been really picking up steam. Let me show you that as well, and that has been shared quite a bit more than any other video, and this has 9 subscribers and it has a lot more views. This is a 48, yeah, you can see that this is a 48-hour chart, and this is how many views I've had in the past 48 hours. So I think random seed method is going to overtake number triangle, even though it is much older. What, a year older? And I think this is going to overtake it because it has a much steeper curve. You can't even see this down here. This is the average. This is my average video for a year. So this is just past. No, I'm sorry. This has only been out since June of this year. I lose track, and this is May of last year. So I think random seed method is going to be the third video. So why don't you guys leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. But as always, and you can see a lot more likes. I actually got a thumbs down on that. I did not know that. So okay, I guess somebody did not like that video. But as always, I really appreciate, actually a couple videos ago, really got a really good request, and I want to tell you guys thank you very, very much. You're not only helping me out, you're helping out the channel and helping out somebody else, and that's the point of this. And I really appreciate the comments, because somebody else has the question, they just don't want to ask it. So when you guys ask a question, it's not just helping me and the channel, you're helping somebody else who's learning. I've been doing this long enough to know that there's more than one question that's similar. So if you guys can help me out with that, if you even think you have a little bit of a question, I'll take care of it. You guys are here watching, taking care of me. I'm extremely humbled. I can't tell you guys that enough. It's just really, it's really impressive. Actually, while we're looking at this, why don't I just show you where this is now. You guys are pretty awesome. So I'll show you. I had a pretty interesting day today. Looks like probably one individual watched, what, almost 50 videos. But here's the lifetime chart. Again, I haven't showed you this in a while. So we just passed 24,000 watch time, and we're heading towards, well, let's show, if I hover, it's 12,500, 12.5K on total views. And let's see, here's the watch time. So we have a couple peaks here. I wonder what today's will be, but you can just see this chart through and through. This is you guys, and thank you so very much, because I know most of my videos you have to dig down and to find them. I have a couple videos that you guys have helped support that show up at the top. but it's only a handful of them. And what today's video is going to be, what's the date? 305. Today's going to be 305. So this video is the 305th video. And for the time being, for the foreseeable future, yeah, there was 300 back on the 12th. So we got videos coming out all the time. And for the next little while, I'm still going to be able to pump out one a day. Because you guys are watching, you guys keep watching, I'll keep making videos. So went on a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I just want to tell you how much I really appreciate it. So you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Because like I said, videos all the time, and as of right now, videos every day, because there's tons of topics out there. And last comment, probably most important, please leave any comments, questions, video requests. One of the last ones was, I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. And please do more. So I like the term, got it from another subscriber, a deep dive. And whenever we have to touch on something again, guess what? It's going to be a deep dive. That's what we're going to call it. And we'll knock it out. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.